What's up, y'all? My name is PBM, and I'm trying to start doing tech unboxings and different, what you call it, smart home tech that you can put in your home and how you put them up and so on and so forth. So here, I just went to T-Mobile today. I just my OnePlus 7 8. I mean, I'm sorry, not 7 8. My OnePlus 7 Pro screen is messed up on it, which is I'm recording from it now, but it goes out on me. It's times where I can't push anything. It's just a big mess. So I was doing some research, looking at different phones, and I came up with this, the LG V60 ThinQ 5G dual screen. So we got the dual screen. T-Mobile opened it for me already and put it all together. So we got the dual screen stuff here. And I don't know what's up in the hood. I don't know if they left it. Let me see. Nothing in there. Oh, I guess they must have put it all in my other bag, I guess. Okay, well, what we're going to do is just set that to the side over there. Let that ride. So here we go with the V60 right there. Let me open this bad boy up. Bam, we're going to take that, set that over there. At the box, they already put it together, like I said. So I'm going to just take it out and let y'all see. This is I rarely use it. I may have touched it, but that's it. So now I'm pretty much using it for the first time, basically. So here we go. Let's see what we got. There we go. Bam. Let's see. We're going to set that down. All right. We have here the usual, little quick start guide, a little phone thing that keeps the phone safe. We got, the little cloth. We're going to use that. T-Mobile, blah, blah, blah. Got all okay. Here we go. Let's put that to the side right there. We got the SIM card tray removal thing. So here we go. Put that right there. We ain't even gonna look at that because we already know what's in that. We got the LG, I think it's a 25-watt fast charger. Yep. So we got that. Set that right there for right now. We got the USB cable cord to it. Okay, let's put that back in there. Let's say get back in there correctly. And we're going to set that to the side. And we're going to pull out the phone. All right. Oops. Let me see if I can get this to do better. I may have to zoom in a little bit. Let me see. Nah, that's too much. All right, bear with me, y'all. Let me see what I can do so we can see this. I'm on my refrigerator right here. See, I'm just starting off. So here we go. This is my room refrigerator. Okay, so I didn't say anything about the little this little connection port, USB connection thing to that. Yep, that's how it goes. It go like that. Bam, bam. It's pretty strong too. Dang. Yeah, it's pretty strong. All right, here we go. Let's put that to the side. And what do we have here? We have the LG. Back up some. All right, what do we have here? Yeah, I got my old dog on. I'm chilling. Yeah, we got the LG dual screen. Let me see. So here, let's open this bad boy up. Man, bam. Look at that. First of all, I don't even want that on right now. We're going to bring that in. So, okay. This caught my attention right here, man, just for the dual screen itself. I know it ain't got the bells and whistles like my OnePlus 7 Pro. Like as far as like the screen refresh rate, this has a 60 megahertz screen refresh rate, whereas my OnePlus 7 Pro my OnePlus 7 Pro, has a 90 hertz refresh rate. So, I'm getting used to this, y'all. This is my first time, so y'all bear with me. My first time actually doing like a real tech unboxing. So, yeah, so here it looks like, I did some research, like I said. I heard people talking about it like it was not a good phone so far. Just by doing, just running it like that, man, it seemed like it's a pretty good phone. Look at that. It seemed to be pretty fast. Like somebody said that wasn't responsive. It wasn't working. When you pull it down and you have the app, frequently app uses or whatever they have right there, and you can search for different apps and content and stuff like that, it works fine. Look at that, and the gestures seem to work pretty good. Look at that. Let me see. Bam. So we could be over here on Chrome, and oh, I gotta turn the screen on. There we go. Now I got the screen on. There we go. Look at that bad boy. And I can swipe over, right? Swipe. I said I could swipe over. Oh, I gotta turn it on, right? All right, y'all. So see, this is it right here. You see what I'm saying? There we go. Now we finally got it over there. I'm gonna have to blur that out. Yeah, look at that. It's good, man. It's fast. Yeah, I mean, it's not as smooth as the 60 hertz, but it's pretty fast. So what we're gonna do is set that down right there. You can fold it in. You can see the back, camera, all that stuff. You know, I'm gonna get to that on the the real review. Fold that back. You can use it as a normal phone. Yeah, it's a big phone. I got some pretty nice sized hands, so you know, it's my OnePlus. I kind of struggle with like that too, so it's no big deal. I'm a multitasker and I can use it like this. I'm good. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all that. So I'm gonna get back to y'all on a different video, man, because as y'all can see, I don't know too much about it. I mean, I know about it, but I don't know from experience too much about it. You know what I mean? I've seen videos, stuff like that, but I haven't experienced it for myself. So I need to experience it for myself. Give myself like a week or two to a month, and then I get back with y'all on like actual review and let y'all know how things are going, man. I mean, so far, like just by looking at it, man, because I'm a multitasker and I love to multitask. So that right there, that phone, I think I'm gonna love that phone. Despite not having the refresh rates and all that stuff. Hey man, look, I ain't had nothing to eat, so I'm a little weak feeling, and you know, as you can see, my words are all over the place right now. So I'm gonna go get me something to eat, man, and I'm gonna let y'all just go ahead and get back to work and get back to whatever y'all was doing, and I'm gonna let y'all know, man, what goes on with this whole experience with the LG dual screen and the V60 thing Q. I think it's Thin Q or Think. I don't know. That's 5G dual screen, and we're gonna see. All right, man. I'll get back with y'all. Peace out.